Hello, everyone, and welcome to Socially Responsible and Trustworthy AI. So all of us know that AI has been extremely progressing in a fast pace in society. And as a result, there are lots of questions come up about social responsibility, ethical, legal, and how to integrate this information in the society. And I believe that such a work needs interdisciplinary collaboration. And that's why we decided to kind of organize this workshop to address this interdisciplinary aspect of the work. Today's workshop is very interactive. And so it's a lot of space. We try to create a lot of discussion sessions. And as far as I know, at least for our first speaker, you can interrupt her even in the talk. So there will be two keynote speakers first in the morning. And then there will be a poster session. And then there will be lunch. We have a breakout session. And that's the place that you can have a discussion with the experts. Marcus from the Halmstad Hospital in Region Holland, Rafia from discussing the ethical aspect in the industry, and Tilde, she's a lawyer, so she will you can discuss the legal aspect from that perspective. And then after the breakout session, there will be a coffee break, and there will be a panel discussion moderated with Laurines and with our speakers in the morning. So that would be the idea of the day. So I hope you enjoy and get to know each other. Hopefully this will generate future collaboration as well. That's another goal that I have. I would like to have out of this workshop, that we get to know each other in a way that we can do more together. That would be wonderful. Thank you.